till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out.
What not to do with an airsoft gun? Step one,
this?
always make sure you have a battery and of course ammo. But don't turn it upside down, otherwise you're screwed. Step 3, be careful when you aim your gun. Don't be like the freaking Al-Qaeda. No sense at all. And don't shoot yourself in the foot. 4, aim at the target. I mean step 6.
No, 5.
5.
Yeah, 5.
Oh yeah. Okay. Step 5. Don't run like an idiot. This isn't Black Ops. You can't go like
Be like Rambo and just rush all in there.
No. This is what you do. You can't do this. Die for it.
Oh my god, that's
And that looked like
Step
it hurt.
6. Don't try to get Marathon Pro.
Marathon Pro! Marathon Pro!
That's
It's
a bad
stupid.
one.
Step 7. Seriously, man, this isn't Black Ops once again. Second chance pro in this is gay. You're shot. You're out. It's step 8. If someone's being a noob, don't get so pissed off. Remember, once again, this is not Call of Duty. I will now demonstrate the worst technique. Step 9. Do not cut the power. Aren't you cute?
It shocked me. Let me try it again.
Wait, don't cut off.
Oh.
And step 10.
Do not let the camera guy have a gun. Doom, 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 doom.
Oh, and the bonus tip for all our viewers. Like on Black Shot, when you shoot people in the bad shot, it's funny. And just to let you know, it's really not nice to do it, but it's also just as funny. Bad spot shot! Oh!
Comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my